Hey guys, welcome back to my school lecture. Today on my school lecture, we'll be showing you how to produce body spray perfume. Previously, we showed a video on how to produce disinfectant bleach. I believe you must have seen it and have been able to produce yours. And today our focus is on perfume production, which is body spray. But before we get on to that, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get to receive updates when next to post content. And if you have just done that, thank you. So let's begin. In this production, I'll be showing you how to produce perfume. Remember, we'll have three categories of perfume. We'll have the undiluted, that is oil perfume. We'll have the diluted perfume. Then we'll have the body spray perfume. And today we are making the body spray perfume with just two key chemicals. And it's 520 ml body spray production we are making today. And this 520 ml comprises of 400 ml ethanol and 120 ml fragrance. And this 120 ml fragrance comprises of three different kinds of fragrance. Here we have 50 ml auxiliary, 50 ml my choice, and 20 ml cylinder B. All of these made up the 120 ml fragrance that we'll be using for this body spray production. Okay, the first to go into the mixing bowl is the ethanol. The 400 ml ethanol is going into the mixing bowl. Okay, after which we'll add the fragrance. All right, so we are adding the fragrance right away. Making a body spray perfume doesn't really require much, as within twinkle of an eye you are done making it. It just requires mixing the ethanol and the fragrance together. So after adding up, you can now stir together using the stirrer, and that's just all that is required for this production. You don't really have to waste money, spend money buying body spray outside. You can simply follow this procedure to make your own, and you can see this smells so nice, because we have combination of three different fragrance added to this ethanol, giving us a very nice scented body spray. You can actually use this same method to produce your own perfume, because the difference between perfume and body spray in production isn't much at all. Just that for body spray, the quantity of ethanol required is usually higher than that of the fragrance needed. But for the perfume production, both the ethanol required and the fragrance are usually of equal measurement. That is, if you are using 50 ml of ethanol, your fragrance should also be 50 ml. If you are using 100 ml ethanol, your fragrance should also be 100 ml. And in place of ethanol, you can simply use vodka and not methanol, because it is body spray. But for perfume, you can use methanol. So our body spray is ready, and I'll be packaging right away. First, I want to package in an empty container, after which I'll also package in a perfume virgin bottle. Here is our virgin bottle. We will also need to package here for easy spraying. I have to be extra careful so this doesn't pour away. I'm supposed to use a small funnel for pouring a perfume, but since that isn't available right now, I just have to make use of what I have, guys. Okay, it's filled up now, so I have to just lock it up. This body spray smells so nice. Before locking it up completely, let me bring down my nose mask. I need to have a taste of it. Smells great, smells nice. Wow, I feel like spraying it all over my body. It's body spray anyways. Smells so nice. Okay,
And this is it, our body spray is ready.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to check back on our previous posts you might have missed. Our next production is going to be on antiseptic. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get to receive updates. And if you have questions as regard perfume and body spray production, kindly drop them there in the comment section and I'll attend to them. Also, if you're an expert, your ideas and contributions are welcome right there in the comment section. And this is where we'll come to the end of our production today. Till next production, it's bye from me.